See these cables that go around this idler here, or pulley, whatever you want to call it, had come loose when the string broke in the past, I guess, and were wedged under here. This bracket was quite a trick to get them off. This one here, I had to loosen the limb bolt and actually take the bracket off to get it loose. And we got a bit of the plastics crunched and everything. Now, I don't know how that's going to affect anything. I might have to rewrap it somehow. Okay, folks, I've just restrung this relic of a compound bow here. Browning Stalker 2. Dates back to I don't know, 1300 BC, maybe. I think they pried King Tut's dusty fingers from this grip. But anyway, it's I don't know, late 70s, early 80s. I'm not sure. I'll leave if I find out, I'll leave a caption down below. But all steel cables, and did quite a bit of work on these pulleys. And there's a lot of scary looking old stuff here. And this hasn't been drawn since, I don't know, maybe when I was very young or not even born. So here goes nothing. Hey, didn't even creak. First of all, let me show you, since we're out here in the daylight, give you a better look at this thing. This is a very early compound, and if you've heard old folks say the first ones were basically a recurve with wheels, well, this is about as close to that as you can get. Although this was purpose built, this was not just cut off or something, because those limbs would be 150-pound recurve. Anyway, it's very simple. Just has round wheels, and these brackets here, these are just idler wheels that serve to hold the cables. Down here, I think this probably had a tuning purpose, probably tiller, but I'm not sure. No limb bolts. I'm not sure what this did, but it's not for draw weight adjustment. The rest that was in here was seized to the bushing, so the whole thing had to come out. A comically simple affair. I thought something was missing here, and no, that's the rest. I have another old bow I bought just cause it's old. It had the exact same thing. It's just a plunger kind of thing with a Darrell and roller affair, and by some witchcraft you were supposed to keep your arrow balanced on here while the deer was running around. But anyway, I ordered a replacement bushing from an outfit called Norris Archery, and they had a good selection of this type of thing. Yeah, Norris Archery, you might give them a look if you're doing this kind of thing. And let's see what else. You can see this old paint here, somebody's camouflage attempt. Well, you might be wondering why it's missing on the rest of this shiny surface, and I think I know. Back in the day, all these compounds, recurves, were this pretty shiny finish, and they sold just basically a sock that you pulled over the body of the bow to cover up some of that glare. And this is the part that wasn't covered up, and I think he just gave it a shot of spray paint or whatever. And I was considering just leaving this the original shine, but since it's already uglied up, I might go ahead and give it a Krylon camo job. Nothing fancy going on here. I just threw a old finger rest on here and got a tab. The sights aren't sighted in or anything. No knock point. I just want to see how she shoots. Better hurry, it's starting to rain.